Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am Daddy Finger. Couple walking in the love path to reach their destiny of Love Lock is a beautiful cake for Valentine's Day and anniversary. This is a 2-layer cake. The speciality of this cake is everything is edible. List of items required for this cake is in the YouTube description below. Start layering the cake. Take the first layer of the cake and start frosting the cake. Keep the second layer on top and complete the frosting. Cover the cake with the fondant. Here I kept some design on the fondant. If you want details of frosting and fondant procedure, please check the description below. Now it's time for the beadings of the cake. It's a perfect time for your kids to help with. For standing heart, I have used circular rice cake and biscuits. Cut the rice cake into 2 halves and keep 2 rectangle biscuits which forms a square in the center to make the heart. For holding all the 4 pieces together, use toothpick. Once you are done with making the heart, cut the bottom and then wrap it with fondant. Turn the heart and fold the fondant on the back. Cut out the excess fondant and remove the wrinkles using water. We have to make the heart a little hard since it has to stand vertical. You can do it by baking the heart in an oven or blowing in a hair dryer, or even you could put it in a deep freezer. For making the figures of the couple, take a thick fondant about 1 cm. Take the sample image which you want to shape in the fondant. Keep the couple on top of the fondant and start cutting the edges. Now it's time to mount the heart and couple along with the love road to the cake. The romantic cake with 3D figures of couple and heart is ready for celebration.
subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.